Hello, today is the 1st of December 2024 and I'm back with the Lunar forecast analysis for the last 2 weeks. So let's see how our forecast has performed. So starting with Nifty 50, we were expecting an inversion on the 11th of November here, but it appears that this inversion has not fired. The confirmation actually came later once the other pivots took shape. So the 11th inversion didn't form, so 6th and 7th we were expecting a low, so we had a low on the 5th of November, which is minus 1 day. And then we were expecting a high. 13th was supposed to be a low earlier, but then because the inversion didn't fire, this became a high. So 13th, the high actually came in 1 day early here. Then 18th became a low. So 18th was a low here. This is 18th. It was a low. And then after that, we were expecting 26th November as the high. So 26th November was a high here. And then 3rd December is supposed to be a low, so we are on track for the 3rd December low here. So this forecast has been on track and the forecast has performed very well. So this is Nifty for you. So now let's move to the next instrument, which is the S&P index, S&P 500. So here also we see that the 12th inversion didn't fire. So we see that the 13th November pivot became a high here. So it has become a high here. 19th was supposed to be a low here. So 19th is a low, so it is bang on. Then we are expecting 24th November to be high. So 24th November actually was a high here. It's plus 1 day because there was a weekend in between. So 22nd, 25th. So this is 24th November, which became a high. And then 2nd December is supposed to be a low. So 2nd December being tomorrow, we are expecting this particular index to move up till the 6th of December. So S&P index has done perfectly okay. All the pivots forecasts in the last 2 weeks have been on track, 100% accurate. Now let's move on to the next forecast. So the next forecast, it is the same. The inversion has not fired. So since the inversion has not fired on 13th November, 14th November became a low. So if you see, 14th November here became a low. So 18th November became a high. So 18th actually became a high here. And then 25th November was supposed to be a low. So we had a low on 25th November here. So after this, the instrument has started moving up, and then 4th of December is supposed to be higher. So we'll see higher, and then the stop should again start drifting downwards. So EURUSD also performed accurately, and our forecast has been on track with EURUSD. So let's move on to the next and the final instrument, which is the BTC. So in the BTC, we had forecasted on 16th November that 19th November is going to be a low. So we had 19th November as a low here. This is a low here. Then we had 26th November as a high. So after this, we have 26th November as a high here. This is 25th November. It came in a day early, 25th November as a high. And then 3rd December is supposed to be a low. So then we started drifting down, and 3rd December here is supposed to be a low, plus minus 1 day. And then after that, we'll actually have a strong movement upside. So if you really see, since BTC is in a very, very bullish mode, when the trend changed towards a low, it did not make a significant low, but then it went a little sidewards, and it is expected that when this trend changes again on the 3rd of December, plus minus 1 trading day, it should be moving to the high direction very furiously. So, and we could see a break in the ATH of BTC again. So this was a forecast for you. A wonderful 2 weeks of forecast, a wonderful 2 weeks of results. See you again after a fortnight. Have a wonderful week ahead.